Just want to show you the 2/10 paper. It's actually 4 microns thick, so that's less than 2/10. And I also have this copper. It's 10 microns. And let's try to put that there. See if I can do it with one hand. I'm not sure I can. So there, that 10 micron is actually 13 micron, so that's what, 5/10. So I have here the plate, and I noticed it's bowed in the middle here, so it's raised up, probably because I didn't put anything underneath when I machined it, so it moved down under the cutting forces and then it spring back up. But that's a good thing. So I use this straight edge to see how flat I am, and obviously in the middle you can see pivots in the middle there. I'm lower here about 1000 and here about the same, and I'm saying that's a good thing because this is the part I'm trying to make. And you see here I accounted for a boss of 0.4 millimeters, which is on this space here, which goes down on the machine base. And that's because I wanted to just scrape 0.4 millimeters instead of like only this portion here, which is what do we have here, millimeters, 275, 11 inches. I didn't want it to scrape the full surface, but now because this is bowed in the middle, that's actually a good thing, because I will naturally scrape from the middle to the edge, and as soon as I reach 275 millimeters or 11 inches, this dimension here where the boss is, then I'm gonna stop, and then I'm gonna put the plate upside down on the table and then actually start machining all these features, this here and the holes and the boss on the top, which is 1 millimeter, so 40,000, because that in the end I need to machine it in an angle on this milling machine to adjust and compensate for the column not being perpendicular to the table. So I'm taking very shallow passes on steel because I don't want to leave gouges. With the same blade, I'll have to lap it very often on that 6000 grit to take those shallow passes. And being off 1/1000 of an inch descends, probably I need to take about 20 passes. If you look here where we are touching after 3 scraping passes, here it's scraped, and then here at the edge. In this area I'm down 4/10,000 of an inch in this area compared with where I scraped. So not a lot of scraping here, more scraping as I go towards the edge. So I'll meet you back there here after this portion is down in the enough surface so it goes under the milling column and I have full coverage.